Welcome to Stock Market Free Strategies. This strategy video is for educational purposes and totally free of cost. Disclaimer: trade as per your risk and consult your financial advisor. Let's start with very popular strategy, that is 9:20 a.m. optional selling strategy, which is also known as Holy Grail strategy. Here people target for 1% return on investment every day. Bullet points to be covered in this video are the steps to be taken and what all should we buy. So, usually people consider it holy grail, and by putting stop loss they end up booking losses in an hour of opening by hitting their stop losses. Therefore, here we explain all the adjustments in detail, because without adjustments this strategy does not give profit. Let's start answering the questions. First, why should we choose option selling? Answer: we choose option selling because we get the benefit of premium decay. That is, if the market does not move or if it stays between 30 to 50 points range, then we get the benefit of premium erosion. Second, for the ATM selling option, what prices should be taken, spot or future? So answer is spot price. If we have target of 1%, then we have to take ATM call put. If our target is 0.5% every day, then we have to sell at 100 points away call put from spot price, which is also known as short strangle. For all this, what all adjustments are required? Answer is generally people choose ATM call put with 20 to or 30% stop losses on both sides. Market first moves in one direction and then stop loss gets hit for call side. Then you keep holding put side and then V shape or W shape movement happens and it comes back and hits the stop loss for the put side also. So within half an hour it hits stop losses for both sides and gives huge losses. Generally all the big players know that how many people have used 10%, 20% or 30% stop loss on their positions. Therefore they hit on both sides and enjoy the profit. So setup here will be explained along with adjustments so that your stop losses don't get hit, and whatever is done by big players is done by you all also to gain eventually. Let's discuss now. What is setup? Entry time. Okay, so see the market opens at 9:15 a.m. So we take entry time as 9:20 to 9:25 a.m. based upon market movement and based upon global market fluctuations, etc. Exit time is 3:15 to 3:25 p.m. based upon again market fluctuations we close. Here in this case we are not applying stop loss. So how adjustments will be done? We will be explaining in this. 99% of times our stop losses don't get hit. To make it profitable, we are booking the profit every time. Let's work together to make it more profitable. Here the setup is that we have to check the price of spot as market opens by 9 am and settles by 9:07 in pre-opening market. The price while this video was being made was coming out in the range of 18,000 to 18,020, and we had to watch following strike prices for options premium: 18,000 call and put, 18,050 call and put, 17,950 call and put. So basically in our watch list we had made spot call put, 50 up call and put and 50 down calls. So now we had to check at the opening that which call put premium comes out to be equal, so that difference should not be more than 10%. If the difference will be more than 10%, then they will not be able to help each other equally. So keeping it in mind, similarly, if the market is coming out to be 18,000 to 18,020, then we can take 18,000 call and put, But if market is opening at 18,030, then you take 18,000 call and 18,050 put, or 18,000 put and 18,050 call, so that premium for both will be equal. This way is called either ITM or OTM straddle selling. You have to choose it as per opening of market spot price. Here our main point is, while taking the position call put, premium comes out to be equal, so that difference should not be more than 10%. Here, as the market moves any side, we get the benefit of premium erosions, and we will get 10 to 15% premium erosion, and we come in profit. Various scenarios can be after execution. Assuming execution of short straddle 18,000 call and put. Case 1. If Nifty went up by 50 to 70 points, you will book profit of 18,000 put and shift to 18,050 put, so that premium of 18,000 call and 18,050 put are same. If Nifty reaches to the level of 18,050, so now Nifty further goes up 30 to 50 points, you will book 18,000 call and shift to 18,050 call, so that premium of 18,050 call and 18,050 put are same. This method works till 150 to 170 points. One-sided movement. If market is still trending, then close all the positions and start with new ATM straddle and keep adjustments. You will surely end in profit due to premium decay. Case 2. Nifty trade range bounce within 20 points up or down. 18,000 call and put premium erosion will happen. Case 3. Nifty is down by 50 to 70 points. You will book profit of 18,000 call and shift to 17,950 call, so that premium of 17,950 call and 18,000 put are same. Now Nifty reaches to level of 17,950. If Nifty further goes down to 30 to 50 points, you will book 18,000 put and shift to 17,950 put, so that premium of 17,950 call and 17,950 put are same. This method works till 150 to 170 points one-side movement. If market is still trending, then close all the positions and start with new ATM straddle and keep adjustments. You will surely end in profit due to premium decay. Market will never move one-sided 150 points, as it takes ladder type steps, and during the trending market, as these points only premium are eroded. As the time passes and Nifty does not move after any 50 to 70 points more, then there will be more premium erosion and we will come to profit. Now we are answering here return on investment in this strategy. Margin required for one lot of sell ATM call and put short straddle is rupees 1,25,000. We are targeting here 10 to 15 points premium erosion per day. Easy target, which gives results of 0.5 to 0.8% per day. To increase the return on investment further to 1.5 to 2% per day, we have to use the leverage, making this short straddle to iron condor, or say buy 400 points away call and put. Now it became straddle to iron condor. Margin required for iron condor of one lot of selling ATM call and put short straddle and buy 400 points away call and put is rupees 52,000. Target of 10 to 15 points premium erosion per day. Results to 1.5 to 2% per day, as we are losing some points in buying side by bringing call and put for reduction of margin requirement for our ATM straddle. Our motto is to capture the premium erosion all the time. Everyone knows premium of weekly expiry has to become zero on expiry day, but to become it zero on expiry day, premium of options are reducing 10 to 15% every day. Total premium at first day of expiry is around 140 to 180 points, and after 5 working days it is going to become zero, so average 10% reduction every day, we will get 10 to 15% points. Option selling has by default more winning ratio. Keep following, subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel for more videos on free strategies and live trading. Our services are totally free of cost, no paid services at all. Thank you.